Hello, in this video I will show you how to send USDT from OKX to Binance. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is open a browser, then open OKX. After that, go to the asset section and then just simply click on withdraw. Now right over here, in the crypto section, just simply choose USDT right over here or choose the drop down box. Then in the select withdrawal method, choose on chain, then click on next. Now right over here, you have to enter the address of your USDT. So for that, go to your Binance account, go to your account, then asset, or you can also click on deposit, click on deposit crypto, choose USDT right over here. Then in the network, click on this option, choose TRX, and then you will find this address right over here. Click on this copy section, go back to OKX, paste the address right over here. After that, the network should automatically be available right over here. So if you don't see the correct network, choose the correct network, because if you choose the wrong network, you will lose your crypto forever. So just will keep that in mind and choose the correct network. Now after that, just simply enter the amount that you want to send. And after that, you will be able to see how much fee that you will be charged. And then in the end, click on next. Once you will click on next, your funds will be transferred from your OKX to Binance. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.